Good. All right, so what we did, we snapped a chalk line to where we're going to, we got to cut this out so we can put these boxes underneath. So yeah, 11 7/8 gets us to the bottom of the frame of the bus. So then we'll bolt these through. We're using stainless steel. It's a little more pricey than using other bolts and nuts, but the stainless steel will not rust. So that's the good thing. You know, we don't want to have to deal with rust or anything with the elements. We're always by places by the ocean and stuff like that, where obviously the salt in the air and will just cause havoc on any hardware underneath. So aluminum, we ended up buying them from a actual bolt distributor here in Tampa. So much cheaper than going to Lowe's or Home Depot. So I would look for any like fastener shop that you have locally. Every place has it because all of us in construction have to go get hardware. So, and none of us will buy it from Home Depot or Lowe's unless it's like in a pinch. So, but yeah, so that's how we're gonna do it. And so I gotta get to cutting here. So what we're doing now is we're going to tighten this first box up. We also put some rubber spacers under here. We don't want metal on metal. It will help dampen the sound driving down the road, and also it gives a space where water and moisture doesn't get itself between there and start rusting out everything. Also, you want to make sure that you use some kind of WD-40 if you're using nylon nuts, because they will gald up on you if you're not careful. So I spray it with a little bit of WD-40 and that will stop it from galding on you.